Newsha. Newsha is mean joining a company, or you go to work at some company and you enjoy that company. They call newsha. New is mean enter, right? Enter or insert. Sha is mean company. So when you put the word new, it mean enter. Sha is mean company, so enter the company, right? So that means join the company, or you start to work with the company. They say new sha. But new sha they use when you the new start point, the first time that you join the company. So they call new sha. And in here we also have the example like Newsha shiki wa itsu desu ka? Newsha shiki wa itsu desu ka? Which means when is the entrance ceremony of the company? When is the entrance ceremony of the company? Newsha is mean enter or join the company. Shiki is mean ceremony. So in here we is mean the entrance ceremony of the company. So they call Newsha shiki. Itsu is mean when. So when you want to create the question like when is the entrance ceremony of the company, so you can say like Newsha shiki wa itsu desu ka? And in Japan, for the big company, every year for the start point to work, they will make the Newsha shiki or entrance ceremony of the company. They call Newsha shiki. It's just for the big company, but for the middle and for the small company, they don't make the Newsha shiki. So if you go to Japan and you work in Japan, you will know that Japanese company, they will make the Newsha shiki for the first time. And in Japan, they graduate in March, right? And they start to work in earlier of April. For example, 1st of April or 2nd of April, around that. So in that point in April in Japan, so they will make the Newsha shiki or entrance ceremony of the company. So for the company, they say Newsha shiki, but for the school, they say Nyugaku shiki, right? Newsha shiki they use for the company, and Nyugaku shiki is they use for the school. So school also start in April, and the company new employee will start to work in April, in the earlier of the April too. So they say Newsha shiki. So this about what